today I want to show you this Leviton Smart Switch. I just got it. It's going to be pretty easy to wire. I'm going to show you how to wire it. This is the black in and the red out to the light. This is the neutral in and the ground, and this is for our three-way switch, which the one I'm doing today is not going to be three-way, but we're going to do a three-way tomorrow. It comes with an almond face cover. I need the white face cover. It comes with a Leviton app, which I'm going to set up. That's the only reason I got this thing, is so I can set up automatic timing outside on my porch lights. Alright, this will be pretty simple. I already have black to black, white to white, blue to black, which is on here. Red is going to be my load to my light, and then green to green. So we'll just replace what wire's already there with this new one. Alright, pretty easy. White to white, black to black, red to the light, green to green in the back, and then my three-way switch, just put it out of the way. Okay, I got the app, downloaded it to the App Store, and I went in, I gave it my email, created an account. It asked for my address, asked for my location, got it from my location. It connected Bluetooth to this switch without any problem. It connected the switch to the internet, and now it's wanting me to name the switch, and it is porch light, a switch, porch switch, whatever else. And I want to set a schedule. So for that switch, porch, switch on at, I don't know, we'll go 6 p.m. end time 1 p.m. repeat every day. Those kind of things, so it's fairly easy. Alright, well today I'm going to install this Leviton front porch switch, and I've got it in here. I've named it front porch switch. I can turn it on and off. I can go into it, and I have set a schedule for sunrise till 8 a.m. and then sunset till 1 p.m. so my light will be on and off automatically. That's what I'm hoping for.